Hi there, as the title says, we are going to be making zucchini chips using the air fryer. The air fryer that I will be using today is the Cook's Essentials 5.3 quart. So go ahead and grab your zucchini and let's go ahead and get started. All right, I'm going to show you what I have going on here. I have a half a cup of all-purpose flour, 2 beaten eggs, half of a cup of breadcrumbs. These happen to be Italian. I really wanted to use plain, but apparently I need to put that on my grocery list because I'm all out. I know I could have made my own breadcrumbs, but that's just not happening today. For this recipe, I like to do half and half breadcrumbs and half panko. Again, I have half of a cup of breadcrumbs. To that, I'm going to add half of a cup of panko. And I'm going to add a half of a cup of grated Parmesan cheese. I'm going to go ahead and mix this all together well. I think with the Parmesan cheese added to this, I don't need to add any salt. I just tasted it and it seems fine for me. I am going to season up the flour a bit. You can season it up however you like. I'm going to be using Chef Paul's Vegetable Magic. Go ahead and mix that well. And the star of the show, our zucchini. All right, we are ready to slice our zucchini up. I'm going to cut this in about 1/4 inch slices. Okay, now we are ready to bread these up. We're going to go into the flour. Shake off the excess into our beaten egg. Make sure that is coated well with the egg. Now into our breadcrumbs. I like to pat that in there good. Okay, into our flour, egg, and our breadcrumbs. I'm going to go ahead and finish these up, and I'll be right back. Okay, I have the zucchini all breaded up. I'm just going to go ahead and pop these into the air fryer basket. Apparently, I'm going to have to do 2 batches. Let's go ahead and pop this into the air fryer. Actually, not so fast, Kelly. We need to spray these zucchinis a little bit with some oil. I'm going to be using olive oil, and I'm going to be using my Evo sprayer. You can use one of these aerosol cans if you'd rather. All right, now we are ready to pop this in the air fryer. Okay, I have the air fryer set to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. About halfway through, we're going to go ahead and check these and see if they are ready to be flipped over. All right, we are 5 minutes in. I'm going to go ahead and flip these over. Spray this side. Probably let them just go for the remaining 5 minutes. All right, this took the full 10 minutes, 5 minutes on each side. I'm going to go ahead and plate this up and we'll give it a taste. All right, let's go ahead and take a taste of these. Nice and crispy on the outside, tender on the inside. These are absolutely delicious. If you like this video, you might want to run over and check these out next. If you are not yet subscribed, please consider doing so. The majority of my videos are air frying. I want to thank you for watching. If I don't see you over here, I hope to see you next time.